Hey J babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this Arab inspired makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy. So from what I see, Arab makeup looks tend to have a more bold and defined eyebrow look. So I wanted to base off of that and colored in my eyebrows a little darker. I also wanted to make them look more sharp and defined, so I thought Maybelline's Brow Dual Pencil would have been the perfect choice to use. Before applying my eyeshadow, I am going to be using Milani's Eyeshadow Primer in shade Nude. This primer is very lightweighted and it does not make your eyeshadows look cakey when you're applying. It is super affordable, and of course if you catch it on a sales day, that would be even better. Throughout this video, I will be using Morphe's 18F Talkin Flirty Eyeshadow Palette. First off, I will be setting my lids with shade Drop a Hint. Now I will be applying shade You're Cute around my crease area. Around the ends of my eyes and the outer crease area, I will be applying shade Lock Eyes. To finish off this eyeshadow look, I am going to apply this gold shimmer liquid eyeshadow to the middle and inner areas of my lids. Once I am done applying, I will be using a small pointed brush to blend out the shadow. I wanted my eyes to look very dark and bold in this look, so I will be using two different eyeliners. First, I will be outlining my eyes with Kiko Gel Eyeliner. Kiko's gel liner is very smooth and soft. It is easy to apply, and of course I have so much control when I was creating my wing, so I would definitely recommend this. Second step to this eye look, I will be outlining my waterline with Mellow Cosmetics liquid liner. and I will be creating a somewhat foxy eye look to make my eyes look more sexy and intense. Mellow Cosmetics liquid liner is literally one of the best products I've used so far. No smudges and it stays on all day, so I would definitely recommend this. BECCA Cosmetics has some really great products. I discovered the primer and I fell in love. It's very soft and smooth on my skin. It has a moisture to it which helps keep my skin hydrated. And of course, I did not have to use a lot. One bottle will probably last me for a while. Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Oh my god, great coverage of course. I love how it feels on my skin. It looks absolutely great. My makeup does not look cakey, and of course it does not feel heavy either. Definitely one of my faves, and I would definitely recommend this. Now that I am done with my foundation, I will be contouring with Anastasia's Cream Contour Kit. I can never go wrong with this Too Faced Pineapple Bronzer. It smells so good and I love how it looks when I apply it. Now I am setting my face with Morphe's setting powder. I applied my lashes off camera, but I am using e.l.f. Cosmetics Troublemaker lashes just in case you guys were curious. Now I will be adding a little BH Cosmetics blush here. And then I will be adding a little over here. Ending my face with some eye blinding highlighter from Too Faced, then I will be heading to my lips. Again with BECCA Cosmetics products, lip liner is amazing. It's very pigmented and it applies very smoothly, which I really love. Outlining my lips before applying Kylie's lip gloss in shade Literally. It's a very pretty nude shade and I really love how it looks. Some Morphe setting spray and we are done. Thank you so much for watching my video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.